Welcome to video 18 of our training series on low-code application development. In our last session, we explored how to create and configure datasets. Today, we will focus on building two essential report types, list reports and pie chart reports, using data on the date of the reported incident and number of complaints. These reports help us turn raw data into actionable insights. Let's dive in. We will start in the analytics section of our IDM-based system. First, select a report page to house our reports. If starting from scratch feels challenging, don't worry. Together, we will bring this blank canvas to life. The report creation page is divided into two key areas: the workspace, where we will design our reports, and the reporting controls, which provide widgets for visualizing and organizing data. Options like pie charts, tables, filters, and more make it easy to create customized reports tailored to our needs. Let's begin with the list report. We will drag the list widget from the reporting controls and drop it onto the workspace. In the list settings pane, we will head to the data tab to configure the report. We will give it a clear title, such as Complaints Overview List, and link it to the dataset we created in the previous session. We will use date of the reported incident for rows and number of complaints for columns to structure the report. If we cannot find the fields we want to add as report rows or columns, it may be due to their visibility settings in the dataset. By default, fields are not available for reporting unless explicitly configured. To make them visible, we will navigate to the Datasets section, locate the dataset, and open the dataset details. On the Folders tab, we will locate all fields that we need for reporting one by one and adjust their visibility settings. We will set the visibility to everywhere, save the changes, and return to the report builder. The fields will now appear in the selection list, allowing us to incorporate them into our report. Next, we will fine-tune the report for clarity. We will adjust the column width to make the data easy to read. And for numerical fields, we will select display units like thousands to enhance presentation. Once we are satisfied, we will hit Save and admire our first report. Reports can include multiple widgets, so let's add another for a deeper dive. This flexibility allows us to present different insights on a single page, creating a comprehensive view. Now let's create a pie chart report. We will drag and drop the pie chart widget onto the same page. In the pie chart settings pane, we will start by adding a descriptive title like Complaints Distribution Pie Chart. Then, we will link the chart to our dataset using complaint priority for the category and number of complaints as the measure. To make the chart visually appealing, we will go to the Style tab and choose a striking color palette. If there are too many data points, we can limit the number of categories displayed to keep the view clean and focused. Once complete, we will hit Save and enjoy our professional-looking chart. We can further refine both reports by applying filters. For instance, to view complaints reported on a specific date, we will set Date of the reported incident as a filter and specify the date. Filters dynamically narrow down data, making reports more precise and actionable. Once our reports are ready, let's see what other useful features we can make use of. In reporting, we have powerful features that make it easy to share and analyze data across applications, including exporting reports, duplicating them, and subscribing to updates. Let's take a closer look at each of these options. To export a report page, navigate to the header and click the three-dot icon. This opens a menu where you can select the export functionality. The system will process your request and display a pop-up window. In this window, specify that the list report will be exported as an Excel file with portrait orientation, and the pie chart will be included in a PDF file. After configuring these reports, click the Zip and Download button to download a zip folder containing the selected widgets. The exported files are ready for sharing and analysis outside the system. If you need to export a specific report individually, that option is also available. The duplicate feature allows us to create a copy of an existing report page. This is a great time saver, enabling us to make changes to the copy without starting from scratch. We can also subscribe to reports to receive regular updates. To do this, we will select the subscribe option from the three-dot menu. By toggling the subscription on, we can set the recurring times and intervals for receiving the report. Clicking Apply activates the subscription, ensuring we stay updated effortlessly. In this video, we covered how to create a list and pie chart reports using data on the date of the reported incident, complaint priority, and number of complaints. We started by building a report page, adding widgets, and linking them to our datasets. Then we customized our reports with column width, display units, and filters. We also explored key reporting features like exporting, duplicating report pages, and subscribing to updates. These tools transform raw data into insightful, shareable reports that make data-driven decisions easier.